8. Okay, 5 by 8 inch. 5 by 8 inch. It is an inch British thread. Okay, into 11 TPI. 11 TPI. So now only I will show only for these two calculations I will show. Okay, only these two calculations I will show. Remaining I sent in the WhatsApp. Okay, you copy as it is from the WhatsApp notes. It is there. No, same notes you copy. Okay, remaining pictures and all. One if I tell you can understand. Okay, so first we will calculate for 1.5 mm what gears are required, and next we will calculate for this 5 by 8 11 TPI. So now actually on the lathe gears are available. In the gear in the sense it has to, when you do the calculation now, it gear number of teeth, Z means it is a number of teeth, it won't be 34.5. Okay, it won't be 34.5, it won't be 25.5. But it is coming full, either 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 33, 35, 40, like that. Okay, in 0.5 your calculation should not come at all. Okay, so when you do this one British to metric, that time you will come to know. So now we will do metric thread in metric lead screw itself. Okay, metric thread in metric lead screw itself. So as I said the formula. So gear actually now I will tell gears are available. Gears are available actually from gears are available from 20 one set. Okay, first set actually it is available 20 teeth. Okay, 20 teeth to 120 teeth. 120 teeth with a step of 5. Okay, 20 teeth to 120 teeth are in all the lathe. In all the lathe gears are available in like that only. So which gear you need, any calculation you can do, no problem. Okay, any calculation you can do. So first gear will be 20 teeth, next will be with a step of 5, 25, 30, 35, last 105, threshold 105, 110, 115, 120. Okay, like that so many numbers of gears are available in one set. That is all. This is coming in one with the step of 5. Another set is coming. Another set. Second set, it is from 21 to 105. Second set. Twenty-one teeth. Okay, 21 teeth to 105 teeth. Okay, 21 teeth to 105 teeth with a step of 3. With a step of 3. So step of 3. So you can calculate. No problem. Okay, 21. 21 plus next 3. 24. Next 27. Isn't it? Next 30. Like that. With a step of 3. So like that gears will come. Okay. Like that gears will come. And in all the sets, in all the lathe, so there is a gear, it is called as, this all it is coming in the step of 3. So now you have to see the gears and you have to do the calculation. Okay. So in the notes already I said all it is written and I sent. So that notes you clearly have to copy. Okay. That notes clearly you have to copy. So from semi, that notes now only I will tell. Okay. Notes now only I will tell. No, notes is okay. Whatever I sent no. So only that same notes. You forget about your NIMI book. Okay, forget about your NIMI book. Same whatever I sent, that same note you got copy. Okay, same note you copy. So in that like that 30. So last one is the last one up to 105, isn't it? 105 means 105 minus 3. How much? So 102, isn't it? 102, 103, sorry, 101, 101, sorry, 102 plus 3, 105. Okay, 102, 105. So like that gears are coming, and in all the gears there is a one gear. It is called as a conversion gear. Keep it in mind. It is called as a conversion gear. Conversion gear. It is of 127 teeth. It is of 127 teeth, because why it is required, because this is only it is necessary when you do metric threads on British lead screw. Okay, metric threads on British lead screw, or else British threads on metric lead screw, like that, vice versa. So that is why, because 1 inch is equal to, see, 1 inch is equal to almost 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm, isn't it? So when you do the calculation, say I said your teeth should not be in point. Your teeth should not be in point. 31.5, 31.4 you cannot use at all. So that's why this what happens is 21.5, if you multiply by 5, it becomes 127, you see. 25.4 into 5. So 5 4 is 20, but say 27. Then the then 12. Okay, then 12, one decimal. Okay, so it is coming 127, like that. 25.4 into 5, so it becomes 127. So that's why it is called as a conversion gear. So exactly you keep it in mind. So now just one will do the calculation. Okay. So this I am going to erase, but everything notes is given to you. You again go through it and write it properly on the note sheet. This drawing also I am going to erase. Okay. This drawing also I am going to erase. Here actually this is setting up pitch. Why it is important? See, you can cut 1.5 mm diameter. It is not important at all for us. See, 1.5 pitch you can cut over the dia 24 also. You can cut over the dia 20 also. You can cut over the dia 10 also. Okay, diameter it is not important, but it is standard size is there. So any pitch can be. This is our main aim is the pitch. Okay, our main aim is on the lathe, it is a pitch. And you can cut any form of thread, that is depending upon tool. Okay. So now we will do first V thread. V thread means your tool form is V. Just I show you, isn't it? V. So like that, pitch you have to set and you can cut to square thread. Okay, whatever pitch you need know, that you can cut to square thread. Either you can cut knuckle thread. Either you can cut buttress thread, either you can cut sawtooth thread, any thread, that is all actually it is called as a form of tool. So that is because of the what form of tool you are preparing. Okay, what form of tool you are preparing. But pitch is a very important for us. Pitch you have to select, that is the same method for all the threads, whatever thread you cut. So pitch selecting it is the same. So now for gear, first it is actually, now you will see the simple train, now actually gear ratio. Okay, it is called as a gear ratio. Gear ratio is equal to pitch required. Okay, pitch required on the back of the pitch. Okay, then divided by pitch of the lead screw. Okay, pitch required divided by pitch of the lead screw is equal to that what you are getting, Z1. Okay, Z1, and the Z means number of teeth on the gear, which one driver, Z1 by Z2. Okay, Z1 by Z2. This is the gears what you are getting. Now this for now given data. Okay, given data I will tell which one given data I will write for this example, whatever it is given. Okay, only one. Given data, pitch required for us 1 month, that on the job 1.5 mm. Okay, pitch required 1.5 mm. Pitch of the lead screw same, HMT, will take HMT. Okay, 6 mm. Will take HMT 6 mm. Pitch required 1.5 mm. Pitch of the lead screw is 6 mm. So here just you write ratio is equal to, that is same. Okay, here or here, there can change, no problem. Pitch required, and the pitch required for us 1.5 mm. Okay, divided by pitch of the lead screw 6 mm. Okay, now what you have to do here? Just what you have to do, you have to multiply by both same number. Okay, but it has to come your number of teeth gear. Okay, number of teeth, actually first set I said which one? 20 teeth. Okay, 20 teeth, 20 round figure it has to come. 20 round figure it has to come. So we will do now. You see, we will multiply by, now this is a 1.5, isn't it? So if you multiply by 20, how much it becomes? 1.5 into 20. 20 also you can multiply any gear you can find out, no problem. So 1.5 into 20 means you will get the 30. Okay, then here 6 into 20 you will get 120. Okay, so that this is the actually gear. This is the driver. This is the driven. Got it? This is the driver. This is the driven. So if you set on this lathe, same HMT lathe, 30 gear top spindle is there. Spindle that is there. If you put 30 gear and down to the lead screw, if you put 120 gear, you will get the 1.5 mm pitch over the job. Got it? Over the job will get. So this is actually ratio. So anything, it not be a 20 only, any other number also you can multiply. But if you do the ratio now you see 30 divided by 120, I will take 30 divided by 120. So that ratio it is coming 0.25. Okay, 0.25. Okay, any other will see, any other number. 1.5 into 10 means it is 10. If you multiply by 10, 15 gear is not there. So that also you have to see. If you multiply by 10, 15 gear is not there. Okay. So if you multiply by 15, It is coming odd, I think. Round figure it is coming. 15 into 1.5. It is coming 22.5. That is not possible. Okay. So next you have to see. 20 over 25. 25 means here in the first number of teeth, it is more than first set. More than 120 it has to should not come. More than 120 should not come. That is also is there because maximum gear is a 120. So for this actually only this is the possible. Okay, there is no other possibility. For this only this is the possible. There is no other possibility. Or else one more method is there. This only you can do in compound gear train. That is possible. Okay, that all I will tell you later. Now everything today if I tell it is a waste. That's okay. Any other pitch I will tell one more. Any other pitch. Okay. We will see by a different number you can take. You can do. So for this actually it becomes whatever you know. But here actually if you want in figure, okay, if you want in figure, this is the driver. Okay, this is the driver. 30 teeth. Okay, 30 teeth. Here one more any gear, intermediate, any one gear. This is the intermediate. Any number of teeth you use, nothing will happen. It is not affected at all. Okay, any number of teeth you use, nothing will happen. That is only to build the gap between the spindle to lead screw. Only to build the gap. Either you can use 2 also, no problem. Either you can use 2 also, no problem. But sometimes it is necessary. That is now don't want. I will tell later. Sometimes it is necessary to change the direction. It is required. Now don't want. Okay. So you can use 2 gears also. Nothing will happen. 2 gears also can use, nothing will happen. So this is a driver 30 teeth. This is actually intermediate. Or else you can call idler. Okay. Or else you can call idler. And this is the one more gear now, figure gear. So when you draw figure and all it is given, okay, in the notes. Figure given, so you draw figure also, but it should be proportionate. 30 teeth means little bit small. Okay. This is the next one is the 120, little bigger one. Okay, little big. 120 means 120 diameter you don't draw. Little proportionate. Okay, 120. This is actually it is called as a driven. This is called as a driven. And it has what? 120 teeth. Okay, it has got a 120 teeth. So like that you can calculate for any number of pitch. Now one more simple example, one more I will do. Okay, 5 mm pitch we will see. 5 mm pitch. Okay, pitch required 5 mm. Pitch required 5 mm. Pitch of the lead screw is same. Okay, pitch required 5 mm. Pitch of the lead screw is 6 mm. Okay. So now here you can multiply by now